Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Gmail and Outlook so the connection succeeds. First, enable a map in Gmail settings. This lets Outlook sync mail and folders. Next, if you use two-step verification, generate an app password. This is required for classic authentication. Then, open Outlook and choose Add Account. Enter your Gmail address when prompted. These steps set the foundation. Once done, Outlook will attempt automatic setup, and you'll be ready to move into manual settings if needed. If automatic setup doesn't connect, switch to manual a map configuration and enter the server details yourself. Set incoming to a map, Gmail, COM on port 993 with SSL/TLS and outgoing to SMTP. Gmail, COM on port 465 for SSL or 587 for TLS. Pick the matching encryption type. Use your full Gmail address as the username. Authenticate with an app password or OAuth2 so Google accepts the client. Once you finish, test the complete setup by mapping Outlook folders to Gmail's sent, drafts, and trash so actions sync properly. Make the account default if you prefer new messages to send from Gmail, and tweak sync frequency or download limits in account options. If mail won't send or receive, check your app password and two-step verification status. Revoke and recreate the app password if needed. Also clear cached credentials in Windows Credential Manager or remove, and re-add the account in Outlook to reset stale tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.